Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rhoda, or you can call me Waya if you like. If you're new here, my content is around fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, when do you let me say? Anyway, today's on Tuesday. Quickly rushing out, but I wanted to show you this gloss. This is a gloss that I'm wearing. It's the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This one is in the shade Petal. This one has like a pink shade to it. It's not plain like the other one, but these glosses are so hydrating, you guys. Believe the hype. But I really love this one is my favorite, but imeisha like kamebaki uko chini, you can't even remove it. This one is in the shade Topaz. I love it because it's clear. Yeah, but generally they are pretty good glosses. You can get them at Jumia. Yeah, I got this from Jumia. Scent of the day, came across this one. I was gifted this by Lintons, I think, a time like this last year, and I've just realized I've never used it. What? Anyway, it was like this is how it came, and then inside it looks like so. It's from Lancome. It came with other things. I remember there was like a bag, and anyway, it was like a whole thing. So it has a mascara, it has a serum, and it has like the scent. I've seen that it's written here, Loveliest Bell. Anyway, this is the scent. This is how it looks. So this is what I want to wear. But the reason I don't like this these two tester samples, this one I've seen is 4 ml. The reason I don't like them is because they don't have like the sprayer thing. So applying them, it's quite hectic. Oh, but this one smells so good. But it's so cute. Just look at that. It's a smaller version of the big bottle. I love this. I love that they're now creating such sizes. But I wish they could just put like a sprayer thing. Anyway, that's my scent of the day. Quickly, did I say today's on Tuesday? Today's on Tuesday. I'm quickly rushing out. I want to go. First of all, Aki, my thoughts are everywhere. But today we're finally doing the pantry organization and the fridge organization. I am so excited. I'm so excited, guys. So that is what we're going to do today. But before we do that, I want to quickly rush to the supermarket. I want to get like what do I want to get? I want to get like containers for leftover foods. The ones I have are in all colors, like in rainbow colors that I like, colors more. That's not the vibe I'm going for. So I want to get like a one type, like, yeah, anyway, you'll see. There are some that I'd seen at Chandarana. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get those. And what else? Oh yeah, there's still another organization. There's a organization container, specific one that I'm looking for. So first, because I didn't see it at Chandarana, I want to go to Quick Mart. I see if I'll get it there. If I get it there, yeah, and then I get the dishes from Chandarana because they're not very far off from each other, and then we can come back and organize. Guys, as you can tell, I am super excited. One, because fun fact, I love everything home decor, organization. Like, I think that's just my thing. It's just that I think I'm not at a place where I'm comfortable enough like to do the house tours and just share everything. I don't know. I'm just not there. But the little spaces that I'm comfortable sharing, I think you can see that. I hope you can see that through those spaces. But anyway, I'm digressing and I'm excited. And yeah, so I think let's go. Let's go get those stuff and then we come back and do the organization. I am super excited. Super excited. I attended. Guys, I'm back home from the supermarket. Quickmart was a big flop, so everything that I got was from Chandarana. But before I show you the containers that I got, let me unbox like two packages that I got from Avani because I'm going to be using them in the Pantry organization. So the first one, which is my favorite, I've already unboxed it, but I just want to show you the box. It's this one. It's called a rotating tray. It comes unassembled, so you have to assemble it, but it's easy peasy. It's easy peasy. So there, this is the bad boy. Like, oh, is this? And then it's a lazy Susan, because look, it rotates. Both they rotate. So this one I got from Avani Home Essentials, the home of beautiful and cute things. You already know by now. And this one is so cute. Look, that's how it looks. I think you'll see it better when I use it in the organization. And then the second thing is this. These are drawer dividers. Yeah, let me just pull one. Okay, I came out true. So these are drawer dividers, and these are they look. They are expandable. So this is the, I think this is the maximum they can go. But if you have a smaller drawer, you can do like so. So they divide your drawers, and then it makes it easier for organization. Again, these ones I got from Avani, and in this box they come 4 pieces like that. So you can either decide to divide your drawer once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, whichever way that you want. I think I'll show you when I divide my drawer using this. But these are of such good quality. I love this wooden feel, and yeah, again they're adjustable. So let me just put this away. Let me just put those away. Then I'll show you what I got from Chandarana, the dishes that is. I'm not going to show you everything because I did a little bit of grocery shopping, but I'm just going to show you the dishes that I got, and I got this. These are the containers. Oops, almost fell. These are the containers that I got. I think you can see that they have like some sort of a detail in this. I loved them because they are not like the other ones. The material is a bit stronger than the other plastic ones, and that's how it looks. Even the lid, the materials, they're also from Kenpoly. So I got this size. This one I got 3, and this size I also got 3. These ones I want them for storing our leftover foods in the fridge. This one was going for 79 bob, and the bigger one was 110. So yeah, but I love them. They are simple and they'll do the job. And then the other thing that I got is this basket. This one I also got from Chandarana. It was going for 165. This one I want to store extra shopping. You'll see when I do that. So what I want to do now that we are doing both the fridge, I'd already, let me just tell you, yeah, these are all the containers. I'd already washed the containers, the pantry organizers and everything, and the dishes. These dishes that already come with, I've already washed them. So right now I want to show you the before of the fridge. Then clean the fridge. As the fridge dries, we can be doing the pantry, because I think the pantry jars are all clean, so that tunaweza songa haraka. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, let me show you the before. These are it looks. It's not too shabby, but you see the dishes that I was telling you, they're in so many colors that I hate. That's that, and then there's that, and then on this other side, this is how it looks. That's how it looks currently. It's not too shabby. We're not going to be doing the upper part, the freezer part, because Hataina does not have a lot of stuff. We have not stocked up our meat for the week. Yeah, but this is what we are. This is the before. So I'll show you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me.
Done with cleaning these guys as they are drying. Cleaned pretty much everything. Yeah, as they're drying, I want to work on the pantry. Yeah, then you can finish up now with the fridge organization. So guys, this is the before of the pantry from up there. Is that layer? Then this one is normally my favorite one. And then here, these are the plastics that I want to change. And then there's the mess below there. So that's how, this is the before. Then we can now work on the after. Here I'm not changing anything, but changing up there, here and here. Yeah, so let's do this.
What they said to me, well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the prey, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
So guys, I've arranged these baskets of camera. These I've just put the aluminium aluminium foil and the cling film here. Just put the extra toiletries, that's how it looks. Then here extra snacks, breakfast and all that. Alafu on the other one, I put extra food stuff. So yeah, so that's how those containers are looking. Let me put them in, and I think I'll be done organizing that space. Then I show you the final reveal of the pantry.
Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the prey, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back.
The final product from bottom, I've put those baskets. Those baskets I got them from Quick Mart, but you can find them at any leading supermarket. Even the tray that I've put like as milk and stuff. And then on top here, which is our new jars from Avani. Like, just look at that. No more plastics, babes. So the labels, because I know you're going to ask, I got them from Home Decor 254. You can find them on Instagram, and yeah. So that's how the jars are looking. These ones, These ones you've seen before, I got them from Avani. And then those ones with the bamboo lid, I got them from Sparkle Goods. I just put spaghetti and rice at the back. And then we have our Lazy Susan, which I think is my favorite thing because you can just rotate and get. These are extra spices that we don't use. And then the sauces are over here. So there's that. Alafu. Then there's this. These ones you've seen before. Spice jars and the labels and the spice stand from Avani. So cute. And then these ones with the spoon lids, I got them from Kamukunji. And then the ones at the back with the cereals and everything, those ones I got from Naivas. Yeah, even the other ones at the end, those ones I got from Naivas. And that's how that area looks. That one you've seen before as well. And then on top there, that's how they look. The baskets that I put the extra toiletries and the extra aluminium foil. Anything extra will just be going on top there that cannot fit at the bottom. So that's how that area looks. I think it turned out pretty amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below.
Pero voy a rondolar, que yo ya sé que de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away.
So guys, I'm done with the organization and I didn't change the fresh room. I just left it as it was. So sweet corn, veggies, sweet peas, rosemary, spring onions, yeah, so those live there. And then on this compartment, this one, these acrylic organizers, I got them from Avani. You can check them out, they still have them in stock. So I put yogurts. Somebody told me this is not butter, I'm yet to confirm. And then we put our chilies over here. I got this thing from Chandarana, by the way. It keeps the green chilies fresh. So that lives there. And then this one has ciders and sodas, and the mayonnaise are at the back. And then down here, those containers I got for leftover food. Just look at how they look. I like how uniform they are. So they live in that compartment. And then below here we have these ones I got from Kamukunji a while back. So capsicums, all colors, you saw me put them there. Then we have carrots in there and lemons, and then cucumbers and everything else. They keep the nini fresh, and the paper towel at the bottom helps it stay fresh. And then in the big box we put tomatoes, and what are these, and all the other veggies, dania, nini. I roll them in cling film to keep them fresh. Yeah, so that's that. I do not stocked up on fruits, but most of them stay in the fresh room, and I'll do that tomorrow. And then we have juices on this side. These are the juices that we love. You know, I love go fruit. Then there are these beers. These are the Cool Bag. Is it Cool Bag? Yeah, Cool Bag non-alcoholic beers. I think I'd shown you that. So there's ginger, cranberry, and peach. They have a couple, by the way. You can check them out. Alafu hapa nimeka tomato paste and the coconut cream. The eggs zimevunjika. Here I was filming, but they were here. Then at the bottom there are some more beers. Yeah, some more beers. And that's it. Yep. That's it. Those are my partner's beers. And that's it, guys, with the organization. Please let me know how you think it turned out. Personally, I loved it. It looks neat and organized and just turned out the way I'd envisioned it to be. Yeah, and that's it also for this week's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back. If you have gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and join the family. Oh, speaking of subscribers, we hit 7,000. Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, karibuni, welcome on board. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and all those good things. And I think I'll see you in my next one.